Hi guys! Magluluto ako ngayon ng puto. We have plain flour, butter, and cheese. Okay? Granulated sugar, 3 eggs for cheese puto. Sip natin 3 cups of salt raising flour. Isip. Two. And 3. Oh my God! Here you go. Nagsama-sama po. Oh. So, umover yung aking flour. Sip lang natin para mawala ang mga buo-buo. Okay. 2 cups of granulated sugar. Okay. There you go. Then sip. Combine lahat ng mga dry ingredients bago isama po ang mga wet ingredients. Okay? The baking powder. Okay. Sip. That's it. Sip. Mix. We have milk. Gusto nyo po ay itong semi or pwede din ang skimmed milk. Ito lang ang ginagamit nila dito. How much? 2 cups. Okay. And then 1/4. Okay. Done. 3 eggs. Okay. Yan. Kanya-kanya lang po yung luto. Butter. Mag-butter po tayo. Spoon of butter. Microwave po ng konti ang butter. Melted butter. Then, combine po natin yan. And then, we need to mix all the ingredients. Okay? Mix na po natin. Yan. Ganyan po yan. Okay? Like this. Okay, it's ready. Ready na to. I will put some cheese here. Tapos sa ibabaw, lagyan ko pa rin ng cheese. Yan. Para malinamnam. Lasang cheese. Okay. Done with the cheese. Okay. Makulangan. Then I have cheese here. And voila. That's my puto now. Okay. Yan na po ang finished Mamaya pa with cheese. Ayan na ang okay. Ayan na ang aking homemade steamed rice cake or puto cheese. Thank you very much. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda ng kinalabsan. Thank you. Sundan niyo lang ang instruction. Thank you very much.